Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about the Realme 9i. Realme starts 2022 with the launch of a new mid-range smartphone, the Realme 9i. As its name suggests, this device is intended to succeed the Realme 8i, launched at the end of 2021, and, as such, it is committed to modest but competent specifications. The Realme 9i has been launched in Vietnam and, for the moment, there is no news about its possible arrival in the global market. If it does, we will update this text with the relevant information. As far as the Vietnamese market is concerned, the terminal is available in a single version, 2 colors. The Realme 9i is based on a simple but colorful back. The device is available in blue and black, in both cases with a finish based on vertical stripes. The back is completely smooth, except for the camera module in the upper left corner, which, from the images, seems to protrude slightly. The fingerprint reader has been incorporated into the red frame, something that the smartphones with LCD panels have already accustomed us. The Realme 9i incorporates a 6.6-inch LCD panel with full plus resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate, a reduction compared to the Realme 8i, which had 120 Hz. The screen, of course, is perforated in one of the corners to house the internal camera. Popping the hood reveals a Snapdragon 680 processor, whose GPU is the Adreno 610 and 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The twist is that Realme uses virtual RAM to add 5GB, bringing the figure up to 11GB. As for internal storage, 128GB of 2.2 expandable up to 1TB with microSD cards. These are not the fastest components on the market, but they are solvent. The battery is one of the great promises of the device, as it mounts 5000 mAh with 33 watts fast charging. Always on paper, autonomy should not be a major problem. The heart and soul of the smartphone are Android 11, which comes with Realme AI 2.0, Realme's customization layer. Finally, it is worth mentioning the camera. The Realme 9i features a 50-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro. It is odd, of course, that it does not incorporate a wide-angle lens. The front camera, meanwhile, remains at 16 megapixels, and we already know that it is hidden in the perforation of the screen. As we indicated above, the Realme 9i has been announced in Vietnam and, for the moment, there is no news about its possible arrival in the global market. What we do know is that it will be available in black and blue and in a single version of 6 and 128GB. Its price is 6,490,000 Vietnamese dongs. Here ends the review on Realme 9i. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.